It's a new 2019 BMW X5. When it's up to you, you get the most space, finest luxury, and best view. Take charge of the road in this X5. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, Apple CarPlay with 1-year trial, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, Bluetooth, power tilting steering column, intercooled turbo i6 engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, dynamic damper control automatic with driver control suspension management, and power heated mirrors. For unbeatable performance and unmatched style, drive BMW. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.